Chapter 13: The Waste. Let's learn. Waste is a material which has no longer use and is thrown away. Amount of waste is increasing day by day in most parts of the world. The production of waste is so much that billions are spent worldwide in managing and disposing it of. In the developing countries, the waste disposal facilities are less, but much of the waste is diverted for recycling. Sources of waste. There are many sources and activities which produce waste of many different kinds. The chief sources of waste are 1. Domestic waste, 2. Municipal waste, 3. Industrial waste, 4. Agricultural waste. Domestic waste. Waste generated in our homes is called domestic waste. Consumption of various types of things in homes generates domestic waste like leftover food, peels of vegetables and fruits, packaging waste, etc. Nugget. An average baby generates a ton of waste every year, while an adult creates 5 to 6 pounds of trash per day. Municipal waste. Various types of waste are generated in the public places. Waste generated by municipal sources generally consists of broken pens, empty refills, groundnut shells, wrappers, papers, packets, etc. Scratch your brain. Find out some more sources of municipal waste. Nugget. Out of the total municipal waste collected on an average, 94% is dumped on land and 6% is composted. Industrial waste. Every city has some industries located in it. Some of the industries are big and some are small, but each industry produces a large amount of waste daily. This industrial waste is very harmful for animals and plants living near the industries. Nugget. Industrial waste is the biggest source of waste generation in most of the developed parts of the world. Agricultural waste. Areas of agricultural activities produce agricultural waste. Many chemicals such as pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, insecticides, rodenticides are used in agriculture, which lead to the production of agricultural waste. Nugget. Cow dung cakes should be used as manure in place of fertilizers to add humus in the soil. Types of waste. There are 3 types of waste on the basis of their physical state. 1. Solid waste. 2. Liquid waste. 3. Gaseous waste. Solid waste. Solid waste is solid in form like peels of fruits and vegetables, discarded metals and plastic objects. Liquid waste. Discharge from industries such as chemicals and water mixed up with fertilizers are the forms of liquid waste. Liquid wastes pollute the river when they are mixed with the water of river. Gaseous waste. Vehicles and industries release a lot of harmful gases. These are known as gaseous waste. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. The waste which can be broken down to harmless or non-poisonous substances by the action of microorganisms is called biodegradable waste. For example, domestic sewage, newspaper, and vegetables matter. Non-biodegradable waste. The waste which cannot be broken down to non-poisonous substances easily are called non-biodegradable waste. This waste either does not undergo rotting or takes a very long time to rot. For example, polythene bags, plastics, glasses, aluminium cans, iron nails, and DDT. Nugget. Plastic bags pose danger to the environment and marine organisms when they pile up in the coastal areas. We must avoid the use of plastic bags because they cause global warming. The 4 R's of waste management. Reuse, reduce, recycle, respect. 1. Reuse as many things as you can. 2. Reduce the use of non-biodegradable materials so that it puts less strain on the resources. 3. Recycle all the man-made materials. 4. Respect the nature and its resources. Don't damage your environment. Some facts about recycling. 1. Recycling of paper saves trees as 90% of paper is made from wood. 2. Recycling a ton of paper saves 17 trees. 3. 1/3 of trees which are cut are used to make paper. 4. Recycling 100 aluminium cans could light a room for 2 whole weeks. Nugget. Recycling just one plastic bottle can save the same amount of energy needed to power a 60-watt bulb for 6 hours. Mind map. Waste. Sources. Types. Sources: domestic, municipal, industrial, agricultural. Types of waste: solid, liquid, gaseous. Solid, like fruits and vegetable peels, discarded metals, etc. Liquid, like chemicals and water mixed up with fertilizers, etc. Gaseous, harmful gases released by vehicles and industries.